guys. So, I have some bad news for you all. My computer bit the dust. So, I'm using my mom's computer right now. No, not supposed to use it, but, if you're watching this, recorded not attached. I'm still recording off. So, your computer's connected. So this will be my last update for a while. I'll have to figure out how to do it on my phone. Well, my mom left me the computer then. I said that's wrong, but whatever. So I guess just it overdo it again and again and again and again and again. And it wouldn't stop every time I turned it on, even if it would shut off or throw it would overheat in the next within the 5 minutes that it turned on. So that's done, and I don't have any money. So there's that. Speaking of money, I did my disability hearing. I really honestly, I don't know how it went. Um, yeah, so it's basically how I can tell you, because I don't know how it went. It was brutal. We had a lot of questions, and they had different people, um, many different doctors and experts there who asked questions and stuff. So that was interesting. Yeah, I can't figure out what else. It's been so severely that I haven't been able to do anything. So I should have wrote it down that I was going to talk about, but I didn't. Oh, I've been doing a lot more art recently. I don't know if I can call it video. Hold on. I'm really sorry. I've been copying and pasting really quick. They're all thinking, because, I don't know if you can believe it, they're all thinking because I, because I work in health textiles, if you don't feel them, um, you get caught everywhere. And instead of buying the fancy one that they sell at like craft stores, um, someone told me to just use, um, hairspray for free. So this is one. And then the word inside it says empty, and it's basically just representing all of the, all the different dots are, um, like the different masks that I wear, and then inside it's empty, and then you can't really see it, but it's gray, right here, yeah, you can't really, so it's kind of numb, and then blue is, like angry, and blue is like upset, it's sad, and then red is angry, and then black is just depression, and that's what everyone sees, no one else sees anything else, except for when you put the mask on, it's where people play for, but it's to portray that. So one of them, this one, I really like, it basically, the name of this one is just that, if you step on a scale and start weighing yourself lighter, who is that you that really own, and it'll take you down, to the deep, dark, sad world, and you don't want to go there. And villages that always be down. This is more of an inspirational, I have a lot of these, that I do. So if any of you guys want one, message me, and so yeah. So my phone is doing thing of the way, and then this one is kind of triggering, so if you suffer from self-harm, and you know you're easily triggered, just don't look at this one. It's not graphic or anything, but basically, uh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Never mind, it did point into hibernation. But, so this one, you can't see, but it says free over here. Free. Because that's what it feels like, and you can't tell, but like all these little stars, it looks like whispers, so that's what I used to say whispers, and that's what it's saying, free. And then the black is depression, and then the gray is the light inside, um, is like empty. So yeah, that's what I have so far. I just got myself a new, sketch pen, because the one that I have is all different colors, and I'm almost out of it. So I just got a new one that's all white, because I bought a pastel one, but I didn't want the pastel one, and I got a watercolor one this time. So yeah, I'm trying to keep myself out of the guitar, and it's not working too well. I've gone into like a really isolating mode of depression lately. Like, this last weekend, um, I wanted to steady. Um, last weekend, or this past weekend, I ended up staying in my room all day on Saturday, and I didn't even notice. I get really depressed, and I just want to stay upstairs in my room and not do anything, and stay out of everyone's way. And I ended up relapsing again with, self-harm. So, yeah. And my mom doesn't know about it or anything, but she told me about it and things going on. But she thinks, whatever. So, what's going on with that? My body image is getting down the drain again. It's not, I know, but it's just with me. I hope this isn't delayed for you guys, because for me it's really delayed whenever I make movement. It's delayed. So, I really hope it isn't for you guys. So let's go on to some more exciting things. Twilight is coming, or Breaking Dawn is coming out next week. We Grey's Anatomy are back on tomorrow. The live shows of X Factor have started. You can tell I'm exciting and fun to because I'm just stating movies and TV shows, whatever. Um, yeah, I don't know, I really don't have much to say. I just wanted to let you guys know that if you don't hear from me, um, it's because I don't have a computer. Um, yeah, if you guys have any questions or, anything, feel free to comment or message me, and I will get back to those because, the computer, anything I will with the computer, and so I can get on YouTube. I just can't make any videos because her computer doesn't have a camera. So I guess that's it. I'm at 9 minutes now, so I just wanted to stop recording. I will talk to you guys later. I hope you guys have a happy Halloween, and if I don't talk to you, happy Thanksgiving, and if I still can't talk to you because I won't have a computer for a long time, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I love you guys.